How to set up your curriculum. In this video, we'll explore setting up the curriculum for your center using the Learning module. Start by navigating to the Learning module on the left side, then proceed to Setup and select Curriculum and Outcomes. Here, you'll find a pre-uploaded standardized curriculum. This is a standard framework that you can edit, delete, or customize. You can also add your own from scratch or choose from a pre-populated one for your state or province by clicking the plus sign at the top right of the screen. But first, let's consider the purpose of the curriculum within ChildFriendly. The curriculum is primarily used for tracking a child's development and is used in the progress reports and journals you share with parents. It consists of multiple layers culminating in specific learning outcomes, which appear on these reports to update parents on their child's development based on the rubrics you configure. Now, let's take a closer look at the curriculum. To edit the existing one, click the pencil icon or use the trash can to delete it. To view the curriculum, simply expand it. First, you'll see the main domains of the curriculum. Expanding a domain reveals the next layer, called Focus Areas. From there, you can dive into the specific learning outcomes nested within each focus area. Learning outcomes offer the most detail, so you'll use those for progress reports. For children's journals, you'll tag at the focus area level for a more generalized overview. You can rearrange items via drag and drop, add or delete items, and modify as needed. You can tailor curriculums to specific groups. For instance, a toddler curriculum can be set to include only toddler or infant groups. Click Accept to apply this setting. You can also create curricula for specific reporting purposes. For example, you might want one version for progress reports and a different one for tagging journals. Simply select the applicable reports that you wish the curriculum to apply to and press Submit to save. At the top, you can filter by report types or select all. Use the search bar to find specific curriculums. If you prefer not to edit the existing curriculum, add a new one by clicking the plus sign. Clicking the plus sign allows you to create a custom curriculum from scratch, or choose a preloaded option like the Montessori curriculum, a general ECE framework, or a state or province-specific curriculum such as Alberta Flight. And that's it! With your curriculum set up, be sure to watch our videos on how to create weekly learning plans and lessons.